smoke it releases. Deep in the ruins, deep in the deep end. Swim in the ashes, naming the reasons. Tell them what happened, bury my feelings. There's a part of me that nobody sees. That part of me is begging for somebody to set me free. I'm in the rubble, in the ruins of a dark world. Dark thoughts at the bottom of a dark well. Oh no, I'm so close. Total insecurity when they come after me. Oh no, I'm so close. Total insecurity when they come after me.
If I can't let you go, will darkness divide? For the fiction of love is the truth of our lives. We were playing for keeps, but we both knew the cost. Now the only way out's in your heart-shaped box. But I hate that it seems you were never enough. We were broken and bleeding, but never gave up. That's I hate that I made you the enemy. That's I hate that your heart was the casualty. Now I hate that I need you. As we rest here alone, like notes on a page, the finest to compose could not play our pain. With a candle through time, I can still see your ghost, but I can't close my eyes for it. For it is there where you must be, where you love it. I hate that it seemed you were never enough. We were broken and bleeding, but never gave up. And I hope that I sing through your memory as we echo through time in the melody. Now I hate that I need you, and I hear you now when you said it, but it had to fall apart to look as I see you now in what's left of me. Is it too late to resuscitate? Cause I hate that it seemed you were never enough. You were broken and bleeding in the name of love. And I hope that we meet in another life. I hope that we meet in another life. I don't hate that I need you. I don't hate that I need you. I don't hate that I need you.
Welcome to realization. We can prepare to kill the operation. We ain't fair, but I feel it with the nation. So raise the flag and do the preparation. Welcome to reality, there's no way back. Welcome to reality. Just wake up. It's okay to be on top like forever, man. This is hard, beeping after aliens. We on top of the world, be the sapiens. Do you understand massive complication there? Do you really think you know what I'm made of? My flow is so magical, I'm old, call me Gandalf. You can shine, but I'm about to go off. I don't wanna believe what I'm saying, but I cannot do this at all. Welcome to reality, there's no way back. Welcome to reality, there's no way back. Welcome to reality, there's no way back. Welcome to reality, there's no way back.
come to reality, there's no way back.